Well, after an emotional day of testimony, both sides are back in the courtroom today for the Karen Read retrial. Thanks for joining us today at 11 o'clock. I'm Matt Pritchard. Today on the stand, friends of John O'Keefe are answering questions about his relationship with Karen Read. NBC 10's Manash Kangwari is live outside Norfolk Superior Court with the latest details. Manash.
Well, it has turned out to be an eventful morning session. The court started at 9, and already we have seen 5 witnesses take the stand. But the tensions in the courtroom only rose for one of them. As we know, Karen Read is accused of killing John O'Keefe. Well, a Canton firefighter and paramedic who was one of the first responders to be first on scene was asked to recall what he heard Karen say that morning.
I'm asking you about your testimony yesterday in contrast to the grand jury, sir.
A battle in the courtroom on day 3 of testimony in the Karen Read trial.
To the extent that I ask yes or no question, I'd like yes or no answers.
Canton firefighter and paramedic Daniel Whitley going back and forth with defense attorney David Yannetti.
Let's try it a third time.
Whitley was among the first wave of first responders who were called to the Canton home where John O'Keefe's body was found the morning he was found. But Whitley was tasked with bringing Karen Read to the hospital for a psych evaluation as she was threatening to harm herself. Now, during that ride, Whitley says Read told him that O'Keefe had been out in the snow for hours, indicating that she knew what happened to him, which is a bombshell statement. But Whitley has testified in front of a grand jury for this case and in the first Karen Read trial last year. But this time is the first time he said Karen said that.
I was just told to be brief and give generalizations. She quantified many hours in the snow.
You were under oath then, as you're under oath today, correct?
Correct.
You swore to tell the truth.
I am telling the truth.
But the drama may not be over for this court session. Right now, a Massachusetts state trooper is on the stand. This is the same trooper that was tasked with gathering all of the evidence, the data off of Karen Read and John O'Keefe's phone. That data may tell us more about the nature of their relationship just before John O'Keefe died. We'll, of course, keep you updated. But for right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manash Kangwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Manash, thank you. NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Read's second murder trial. You can head over to NECN every day to watch those court proceedings live. It's also streaming on our YouTube page.